Hey, and welcome back to Lauren Lewis. Today we're going to be having a look at how to make an easy magic circle. A lot of beginners tend to get stuck on this part, and I'm going to try and make it easy for you. So grab your yarn and grab your hook. You want to put the working yarn at the top and the loose end down here at the bottom. So what you're going to do is relax this loose end over your pointy finger, like so. And you're going to take the working yarn and wrap it round and up your pointy finger, like this. You're then going to take your crochet hook, pop it under this yarn here, yarn over, and you're yarn overing the working yarn up here, pull through. And then I like to do a single crochet there, and that just secures it. So then you've got your magic circle. And then usually from there, if you need a little bit of help, you tend to single crochet 6 or something like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you tend to cinch it in with your loose end, and that gives you the starting point. I hope that helped, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll be putting up more tutorials in the future. Bye!